Hello everyone, have you eaten this yummy delicious afan soup in 2022? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how I make Afang Soup.Calabar style 2022 style in 4 minutes, everyone. So don't go away, let's dive into it. So first, in the pot I have 1 kilo of goat meat already washed. I can't wait for this soup to get ready. Next, I will add my freshly washed snail, everyone, and freshly chopped cow skin or kpomo, then 1 dry stockfish. Next, I will go in with freshly chopped bulk of onions, teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and then blended pepper and mixed to combine. I can't wait for this to be cooked. I love Afang soup, everyone, and I said let me share this delicious recipe with you in 2022. I will cover and allow to simmer. Oh no, I forgot my stockfish ears. This soup is not ready without stockfish ears, anyway, everyone. So I'll add my stockfish and allow to simmer for 10 minutes on a low to medium flame, everyone. After 10 minutes, I will open and take a turning stick, gradually turn it very well. And if you notice, I did not add extra water. When you allow your meat to simmer, it's moisture, it produces enough water to allow your meat to cook. If you look into the pot, we have enough water to cook this meat. After this, I will allow it to cook for another 20 to 30 minutes on a medium flame, everyone. Keep watching. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, share my videos to your friends and families. So everyone, after 30 minutes, the goat meat, everything is ready. So I will go ahead and take off the asa and snail off camera. And after taking away the asa fish and snail, I'll go ahead and add freshly chopped water leaf, 5 tablespoons of crayfish, blended pepper, 250 ml of palm oil. Everyone, I actually thought my video was on while I was adding the vegetable, the freshly chopped water leaf, but unfortunately it was not on. But this is exactly what I added to the pot after taking away the fish. So keep watching. If you've not seen water leaf before, I will leave a comment, a link down below where I cut water leaf from the scratch. After this, I will allow it to cook on a low heat for 10 minutes, medium flame for 10 minutes. And after that, I will just stir and continue cooking for 5 minutes on a medium flame. I can't wait for this soup to get ready. Well, I'm salivating. I need this yummy soup. I love it. I don't know about you. Tell me at the comment section down below what you think. Do you like Afang soup? And if you like it, with what swallow do you go with? So at this point, everyone, I'll be returning back the snail and asa fish. You know when you cook soup, the fish is everything scattered. It will look like you ate a white cookie. So I always take it off and put it back when the soup is almost done. So everyone, at this point, I will add my freshly pounded Okazi leaf. If you've not seen Okazi leaf before, I'll leave a link down below where I show you how I prepare Okazi for Afang soup, everyone. So I'll add my Okazi soup. You can choose to blend or pound. And after adding it, I add more palm oil and mix to combine. Everyone, this soup was super delicious, and I say let me share with you, everyone. Let me know at the comment section what you think about this simple but yummy, delicious Nigerian delicacy called Afang soup. So our soup is ready. It can be served with any swallow of your choice, fufu, eba. The choice is yours, everyone. All right, don't forget to like, comment, and share my video to your friends and families. Stay safe. See you in the next video, and bye for now.